How to buy products on Sweatcoin. Here's how it works. You want to load up the Sweatcoin app and make sure you have sufficient funds right here in the top right corner. If you have a decent amount of Sweatcoin, you can then go into the rewards tab. Now from here, you will click on buy next to win, and currently you have special offers for gift cards. Here you can choose the gift card or product, if it's available, which you want to purchase. $5 is going to cost us 5,000 Sweatcoin, 25 is going to cost us 15,000, and a $50 gift card is going to cost us 30,000 Sweatcoin. Here, if you see any other products, you can purchase them simply by clicking on it and clicking the purchase button at the bottom. I don't have sufficient funds, that's why I can't purchase this gift card, but for any products, you will see the buy button at the bottom. I hope this helps and answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.